around.
Yeah.
But you can still move around. Hi. Leave it all that cricket. I went tiki three. What I like. Oh. Mẹ nói rồi. Maggie. Tôi cái điều là Maggie mà.
I'm back.
Aku apa ni? Apply baca balik. Look at that. You're not put like
Wait, let me stir them. They're so light.
Mm-hmm.
Like they don't feel like they're there.
No.
Are they getting crispy?
Yeah, they're very crispy. I saw you.
Oh, Moo, I'm scared.
Apply
The more I
balik.
look at it, they don't smell bad though. They kind of smell good.
No, it's not good. Yeah, it's really.
I told my
tasty.
mom I'm just gonna pretend it's almonds with legs. It's an almond with legs.
Oh.
Oh man, the legs are just falling off. Do you just eat them plain, or do you ever put them in like
Normally just plain.
just plain, a little snack?
Mm-hmm.
Silkworms.
Đây, ôi vậy đây được khai.
They're so light. Oh, it fell apart. Oh my gosh.
Pick it up, Apa ada buah?
I'm trying. Just eat one?
Try it. This is more earthy.
More earthy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Try, come on, closer.
Okay, we're gonna try it. It's a silkworm.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, my hands are so big. Oh, I'm scared. Ah.
You're gonna die. Just kidding. What do you think? Bear.
Oh, it crunched.
What was
It
that?
crunched.
I don't know. Oh, I think it's pop.
Yeah, like pop.
Mm.
It tastes like soggy popcorn almost. The texture is like soggy popcorn.
Yeah. I believe I cricket okay. Let me
It's
look
almost
at it.
like peanut. It's got
Have
like
you
a
tried
peanut.
already?
I tried the
You
silkworms.
tried the silk one.
Oh.
Oh, we need okay.
They're not bad. I like them. They've got a good taste. Have you ever had
Try
silkworms?
Hey, look at them.
I feel like if I looked at these when they were live, I definitely would not eat them. No.
You guys.
It tastes good.
You never had them before? No, 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 yeah,
You better get over like me. Kalau
If you don't think about it, I can eat it. Like if I don't think about what it is,
Don't
it
think.
tastes fine. It tastes like
You
popcorn.
shouldn't let
It's
it be
popcorn.
caterpillar, yeah.
No, they're
Oh.
not caterpillar.
It looks like it.
No, the silk one.
It's like the caterpillar inside this.
Is it?
Come on here.
So now we air play with that.
Oh, the door's open.
Dala.
Hey, Papa, check it out on the iPad.
Caterpillar, ma.
So why did she freak out when I said caterpillar?
No, because she's scared of caterpillar. Apply with that. The mu po ma na mu ene kone. Itera wala mu po ria we po.
Cutting your head off
Yeah, go ahead.
like that. We get that side, the side profile.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Ooh. I'm scared to eat the crickets.
Iba ta simple ba yun, no? Bahira yar kid boy.
Oh, the silkworms aren't bad.
How's your day, Maggie?
It was good. I'm trying to figure out what these taste like. These silkworms.
No show clear.
Taste- Like bread.
No show clear. I'm speaking to you.
Me?
What show clear?
I don't know what you
Say, how are you? I'm asking you in
Oh.
French.
estoy bien.
That's Spanish.
Do you want a silkworm, Ivan?
So,
Yes.
come on, Ivan.
They're good.
Ivan gonna
Make
try.
popcorn.
This place is so cool.
I told you.
Ivan.
We're on live stream right now.
You're on YouTube, Facebook, and it's like
Try silkworm.
And this?
It's a
Crickets?
cricket.
You have to try it. I know you don't like trying food like this, but
Mm.
experience,
actually taste pretty
Ivan.
good.
Come on.
Bang,
Just don't think about it and eat it.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
But money too. All okay.
Okay, not this one. Can I feed it to you?
No, you cannot feed it.
Wait,
to
are
me.
you eating
Oh, wait,
crickets before I do? Wait. Let's eat the cricket together. I'm
Here,
eating one.
come over here.
Oh
We're
my
gonna do
god.
it together.
I'm
No,
actually...
it's moving. No, it's not.
Oh my gosh.
I thought it was
I'm
moving.
really terrified.
Hey, everybody, ready?
Cricket.
Oh,
Cheers.
You know, cheers. Right there.
salty.
A little bit.
If I didn't think about it, I guess it's fine.
These were hopping around the forest somewhere.
Think of the protein.
Yeah.
It's good for your digestion too, which is
This is gonna be wiggling inside me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, little bugs.
I don't know if
Yes,
I like.
So you know where they come from?
Do I want to know where they
So-
come from?
Yeah. So they live in the jungle, right? So on the ground, in the field of farms, right? You will see like the ground have like a dust coming out. We'll show the photo later on.
Okay.
And then you want to stir this a little bit,
Yes.
and then
Tell the story.
Can I look for a photo here?
Okay, baby.
And then they
Please.
live on the ground. You have to dig it up to get it.
Forgive
You
me.
have to dig them.
Mhm.
You catch them one by one.
No, sometimes they run out, but
When I move in, the floor is new too.
I don't know. The crickets. Are...
I'm the only one living on. My kids never come and pee on it. So
there
They
you
don't
go.
taste bad.
Images
Ooh. I think if you show me where they came from, I'm gonna like them less.
here on the ground. Basically,
Yeah.
they eat a lot of grasses and other things. How do
I don't
I add
like
this
looking
photo
at
in?
those.
How do I? Oh, you
Oh,
know.
how do you go back
and the
to?
rest are
And then isn't it down here? Share
650.
Share,
No, that's
What's in there?
video file. Share screen.
share screen.
Bathroom?
the shower.
Yeah. There it is.
Share.
Small.
Okay. So the key ne awi ne wala di. See
You can
that?
screen share. Did you
Yep.
screen share?
She screenshot. He screenshots. Oh.
Wait, that's the hole,
So yeah.
the cricket
The
hole.
shower stand. And
Oh, that one's crunchy.
ကေပူနေလောတကြမှာနော်။ဘယ်လို
I
သိ
think
ရလဲ
we tried our first crickets together.
Bestie type teams.
Best team.
How do I cancel this? Stop sharing. There you go.
Sharing within the screen, within the screen.
What do you do?
ကလောဝ
for the
မှု
legs?
ကလောဝမှုဖော်ကီလေ
Did they season them with something? Did they season them with something?
Yeah, I think they already did. How do you set the key?
All these masks will be a very nice room
Crickets.
for you.
Cricket?
Yeah.
How do you say it?
Crickets.
Just cricket?
The key.
Dicky?
The
Duh?
What is
Key.
this term?
Gee.
the key.
Ducky.
Yeah.
Ducky?
Two
The
bedrooms,
key.
this one,
Ducky.
I think.
I'm not gonna remember that. Like ducky. Like
Ducky.
a rubber ducky.
Say something like the key.
Ducky.
There you go. Perfect.
Hey, they don't taste bad. You should just get over
They
the initial
don't.
fact that they were jumping around
Yeah.
in the ground. Oh, there's a leg on me. Now I'm gonna see a cricket at home and be like, yeah. I'm just kidding.
No, you're not going to.
No,
Hey, maybe.
these are different crickets than the ones
I know they're
here.
selling it in like a live one.
Ugh,
You can have a little farm of your own.
that one was a little crunchy. If I get sick, wait a minute.
Mm-mm-mm.
Gonna get the gains at the gym from all this protein.
Yes.
I like these better than the silkworms now.
So what is protein?
I'm not
You go to
sure.
gym all the time, so explain to us. Protein again better.
I'm not quite.
It goes to your muscle, right?
Yeah, it's like.
A
lots
little
of different muscles. I'm
protein.
not a. Let's turn this up. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not. I don't want to explain it because I don't know how to explain it, and I don't
It's
want to explain
fine.
it wrong.
Protein is good for your
Protein
muscle.
is essential for.
The lock
muscle
here too, lock
building.
here too,
Mhm.
and this lock, nobody can
I think it has
open
something to do with
even
like
the
amino
lock.
acids. I don't know.
Because I lock myself out once.
I think this is good enough.
I just burned myself.
That really, I think that's good enough. You just burning my cricket or what? Like here, my ura cricket.
They taste like chips.
Mm.
Little chips. Should I take some home to my family?
Yeah, please.
Will they
let them
stay
try.
good for a week? In
Yeah.
the fridge?
Just
They
warm it
came
up.
from
Make sure you let it freeze.
Thailand, so
Yeah.
they
Freeze it.
survived the whole flight, 24 hours flight.
Can we
Hello,
add this
you
in?
qua nhà.
Can we add this in? Add in the
I think we good to warm up.
No Buddha.
Wow.
I like the crickets better.
You're
Just
still
a
eating it?
little caterpillar and you scare me.
Yeah.
Wow.
They taste like salty little chips.
Bring it to your mom.
Talk about
Maybe if you put it in a duck.
Korean porridge.
I wonder what it
Yeah.
would taste like in an omelet.
So teach her how to cook Korean food takapo. So it's
Taco.
like
Ooh.
vegetable porridge.
Porridge.
Next time, okay? Cook it, bro, okay?
Cooking
Show that
show.
to me then. So
Do you
what
want
do
if
you
I
have?
take pictures?
Take pictures.
Not of your stuff. Like I'll
I mean, yeah. I have
Here, I'll
a
make it
special on
then.
Facebook.
Ooh.
I got it. I jumped away.
Okay. Let's read some comments.
Yeah.
Be careful, Indian military support Burmese terrorists. Okay, we're not talking about war right now, okay?
We're talking about crickets.
Ah, do you know how to read Thai?
I do not.
What is it saying? Wadi crab. Good food.
Good food.
Mhm.
It is good food. We already
Taco
talked about that one. Scroll up. Are there some up top?
Oh, on the top.
All the hellos.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. How do you say
Hila.
hello? And is there a way to say hello?
Just hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, Maypaul. Okay. Good food.
Comment some good Korean foods that I should try.
Yeah. Tapi wala ka dito lo pag inyo tao pala rin kala mo, no? Kapag ba mo,
I like trying new foods. Obviously, I would be eating crickets.
What does it taste like for you?
It tastes like a chip.
Chips?
Some sort of like cracker. It tastes like a cracker,
The floor is new.
but it's got like a popcorn consistency or texture.
So tell me, Ivan, I'm leaving next week.
It
Okay,
seriously
come out
tastes
with
like
my
a-
U-Haul this weekend.
Like a cracker. Tastes like a
Mm.
cracker.
Mm.
They taste like crackers.
Mm-hmm.
What do you guys think? Do you envision living here?
Tell him what you guys think about he's living here.
You can. I think it'll be perfect. It's time that you move out of you.
Mhm.
Why are these so good?
No hate.
And this is a nice place
Oh,
for a
there's some-
single person like you. Like, look at it. It's not crowded. It's not like tiny.
But I like how
mountain.
tall it is.
I know.
Right?
And
I
you're
feel
a
like I
tall
have
person. I think it's
space.
perfect.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh.
What do you
Just
see?
looking at its head. We need some comments. Were they commenting foods for me to eat?
Yummy.
No. New
Alloy,
comments.
alloy.
Alloy? What?
How to say it is good in Burmese?
Hmm?
It is good in Burmese.
Salo cao nè.
Salo cao nè.
Mhm.
Cao nè,
Salo
cao
gane.
nè. Cao nè.
Gane. I better be careful.
Geek mama le.
Keep my mind. I don't know.
Look new comments. Tons. Look new comments.
Right.
Right here.
Newcomer?
No, new comments.
Oh, I see. Oh,
What are you
what is
guys
it? This
doing?
is in Burmese.
ปาริซานี่จ้าเลย cricket how do Burmese call cricket ไปยี่จ่อซานี่เลย
Sunny day.
Mhm.
Good. What are you guys eating? We're eating crickets.
Mhm.
Ball without a kimono. Okay.
Yes, you guys working together. We do.
Marakchidar pukho. Thank you very much. No, can you still buy? Yeah, you can still buy tickets. Okay, go to the lucky draw name, buy tickets. Go take la drama mumu e. Message on the Facebook page te, lo call the phone te.
Mhm.
Okay, but here message I made a pop over ne.
Mhm.
Lo pala na phone agi na address don me, okay? Na me put ticket ne. Lo pala informations kene where one.
Look, Ivan. Because the light from here too. Ivan.
You want me to stop that?
So
Momo.
there's so much I do. You can.
Oh yeah, does it get hot?
O ka jod ta bona. Gora keka. So ke di to me bata wa ku dar pukol ba te. 뜨게 파워 빠져 조라지지는 뭐 배다노네. Okay?
Like, have you been like too hot?
No, I mean, I just
No, I just told them to go cook something and then join us later on.
this one is.
Yep, gotta go cook something and then join us to eat later on.
All right, let's say goodbye to everybody here.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
It's
Basta my
me,
life
Cricket.
like ka no?
Ooh, this is a big one.
These are my fingers. Lay Ivan, say bye to my viewers.
Bye, viewers.
My viewers.
Momo's friends.
Friend people.